Hi, today I'm going to show you how to access eMERGE and the things that you need to know to get started on the application. So the first thing that we'll point out is that the address is https://emerge.compugen.com. Please notice there is no www. In addition to that, there is an S after the P. That shows that this is an SSL secure site. Also, on this page, for French users, you can change the application to French. It has been fully translated to French from English. However, if you want to log in English here, you can change to French on any screen within the application. All right, so every company logs in with their own company ID. I am going to log in with my company. This keeps all of the data very separate between all of Compugen's customers. And every user logs in with their own username and password. If you have not been given a password yet, or you have forgotten your password, please click on the Forgot Password link here at the bottom. You can contact emerge@compugen.com for assistance. However, they will direct you back to the login screen to click on the Forgot Password link here. So I'm going to switch to my demonstration site. All right, so this is the landing site that once everyone logs in, they're going to land on. There are a few things that I want to point out in this screen. First of all, I would like to point out that the navigation is all done at the left. By clicking on a blue bar, you open sub-menus for other access beneath those menus. You will only see the menu items that your username and password has been granted the privileges to. So you'll see much more here with mine than you would necessarily see with yours. In addition to that, there is a customer service area on the bottom left. This allows you to change the password or to view your account team. For example, your inside sales team will have their email address and phone number here, and the person, if you have a dedicated inside sales representative, the person's name would be here. So what you would see is corpsales@compugen.com or govsales@compugen.com. In addition, you would also see your corporate account manager's name and contact information, and perhaps the service delivery manager's name and contact information here as well. If you want to contact a department that you don't generally have contact with, or perhaps to access a service or product from Compugen that you're not currently acquiring from Compugen, all of our major department areas have some contact information on the Contact Us screen. So, for example, the Managed Print Department. The eMERGE support team can also be accessed from here if you are having issues with the eMERGE application. If you are looking for the location or phone number of any of Compugen's locations across Canada, you can search for the province and search for the specific location, if you know it. And this is a search box. You don't have to scroll through the entire list. And if I click on Get Directions, it will open a Google's map for me. Finally, I'd like to point out a section on the landing page here. It is your company's announcements. So this area is accessible to an administrator at a customer's location or to the Compugen team for you to send any messages or post any messages that you need to. For example, Joe Smith is on vacation. Please contact Jane Doe at this phone number. We could post that here for you, or your administrator can have this posted on the site. In addition, we could have some documents, such as we do here, posted In this case, it's the Select Volume Licensing Agreement, but it's also the Asset Tagging Guidelines, or we could post the return policy on the front or a how-to guide for how to use eMerge. As with any online ordering site, you have access to the cart up at the top. You can also access the shopping cart by clicking on Place Order within the menu, or you can use the search box at the top to search for any item within eMerge. This search box at the top of the screen is on every screen within the eMerge application. You can type a description in here, or you can type a specific item number and search it, and it will automatically take you to all of the information for that product within the catalog. Once you are finished using eMerge, please ensure that you click the Log Out button. This will make sure that your session ends, and it will take you back to the login screen if you need to log in again at a future time. Thank you.